Have you ever been asked to sign for someone else's loan? Let's break down what it actually means to be a guarantor. A guarantor is a person who promises to pay a borrower's debt if that borrower becomes unable to make their payments. The most important thing to remember is that you are on the hook for the entire debt if the primary borrower stops paying. Taking on this role isn't just a favor. It affects your own credit, your ability to borrow, and your personal financial security. People often confuse guarantors with co-signers. While both involve risk, co-signers are typically treated as equally responsible from day one. The risk you take as a guarantor scales with the size and type of the loan. The larger the debt, the greater your potential loss. Always treat a guarantee as if it were your own debt. If you cannot afford to pay it, you should not sign for it. Understanding these legal commitments helps you protect your financial future. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more basics.